AR, or augmented reality, turns your phone into a window where digital content like art, videos, and holograms appear over the real world, all around you. Think of it like your eyes teaming up with your phone screen to show you a new layer of reality. Just look through your screen and watch history unfold. We get it, it's new and there's a lot to take in. But don't worry, I'll give you a few tips to help guide you on your way. For instance, when you want to look left or look right, use your phone to look. Your screen acts like a pair of glasses, revealing hidden stories all around you. And yes, you can touch the screen. Each time an experience prompts you to touch a person, object, or marker, go ahead and interact. Each touch unlocks a moment, a story, or maybe even a Pokemon-type game waiting just for you. Many of the stops have sound and music too, adding an extra layer to the experience. It's not about just what you see, it's about what you hear that helps bring the stories to life. Every stop is unique, so we've added instructions to guide you through.
Each card serves as a gateway. Once you're in the location, tap the card, answer the room's challenge, unlock your next experience. Feel free to use the next button if you're short on time or want to go straight to the visuals and photo ops.
It's there to keep your journey moving at your own pace. If you want to reload an experience or restart something, tap on the reload button at the top right corner of your screen. If you've missed something and want to go back, tap on the top left corner. You can even snap photos and take videos directly within the app. Just allow access to the camera when you first download the app, and those pics will save directly into your camera roll. If you're feeling social, share with your friends to show them just how cool history can be. Oh, and don't forget this works on Apple and Android, so no one's left out. And now that you've gotten a basic understanding of how this all works, I'm more than confident to send you off on your way. Come on, let's go.